Before I forget, are you aware that we are in the season of Aju Festival once again? Hello, my name is Chine. Most of you know me as Oyo. I'm the Secretary of 2024 Committee on Aju Festival, and I want to use this medium to invite you all to Iwa Akwa Ndi Ugbo, popularly known as Aju Festival. This festival marks the transition from adolescence to manhood in Ugbo, and it is celebrated once in 3 years. The Iwa Akwa Ndi Ugbo is one of the most youthful festivals, one of the most celebrated festivals in Igbo land, and I urge you all not to miss this great event. This year, Aju Festival is scheduled to hold between the 30th of July to 3rd of August 2024. For those of you who have not been to Ugbo before, Ugbo is a community in our local government area of Enugu State. As we are in the final stage of this great initiation ceremony into manhood, this is how the festival is going to take place. On the 30th of July is the day all the initiates are going to assemble in their village square. This will be happening in all the hamlets and villages in Ugbo. As an Igbo person, I will be in Ugbo This that day to witness this great event. On the second day of the festival, which is 31st, is the day of Mbahishi. This is the day all the celebrants are going to pay homages to their sister communities, and they will be in 3 groups: Ugbo Para, Ugbo Nabo, and Ingenubo. They will walk through the paths of their ancestors to pay homages to their sister communities. On the 3rd of August is the day we call Ozuzugbo, where all the initiates are going to assemble in Ugbo Central Praying Ground in Ubonabo to perform this great event. I hope to see you in Ugbo in 3rd of August. No, Uneje.
Go!